notice. Thank you, Senator McKim. I do appreciate it. Senator Small, I believe you just have 3 quick questions.
Thank you, Chair. I'm conscious I stand between everyone and dinner, I think. So, financial advisors have been telling me about very large premium increases for existing clients with life insurance, at the same time as providers seemingly are discounting premiums for new clients. So I guess, does this mean that existing clients are effectively cross-subsidising new clients in this market? If so, does APRA have a view on the appropriateness of this, given that such a situation effectively encourages product replacement by advisors?
Can I just clarify, we're talking about life insurance?
That's correct, yes.
Policies. Perhaps our colleague Brandon Koo might be able to answer that.
So for the record, I'm Brandon Koo, Executive Director of Insurance. So Senator Small, look, there has been an increase in premiums, particularly for what we call IDII, which is Disability Income Insurance. The reality here is that has been a loss-making line for a number of years. So, over the last 5 years, the industry's lost about $4 billion on that particular line, including a loss of about $1.2 billion over the last financial year. So the increase in premiums is understandable in that regard because it has been loss-making for quite some time. The point you're making about new policies and discounting in that, we're not aware of. I'm not aware of that, and we haven't heard of that.
All right. Well, tonight you've heard it.
Yes.
I'd appreciate it if you could, conscious of time, maybe take on notice and just articulate what you might be able to do in terms of inquiry, with a view to getting to the bottom of that. Because I guess I'm keen to just explore a little bit more the point you just made, in that the life insurance industry itself seems to be under some financial stress due to that ongoing unprofitability. So what do you believe is driving that decline, and I guess what impact do you expect that to have on new business volumes?
So, the line which I'm referring to around disability income insurance is one that we have been putting a lot of work into. We have been engaging with industry on that over the last couple of years, and we have introduced measures that we have required industry to comply with in order to make the product more sustainable. Okay. Now, the industry will be required to implement those measures by October this year. Some have started introducing some of those measures already, and our expectation is that that should bring the market back to a more sensible level. Okay.
And that will apply across life insurance as opposed to just IDII?
It will apply across specifically to IDII, and we have actually imposed capital measures to incentivize the insurers to comply. But we have also noted to the industry that they should take account of the measures that we have imposed on IDII and apply those across other lines.
Great. Thank you very much. In the interest of time, thank you, Chair.
Thank you very much, Senator Small. Senator